Okay, guys. I need gloves. I need gloves. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be testing out cleaning hacks. In this quarantine, I've been really trying to do deep cleaning in every room. So I've been searching TikTok, Pinterest, even YouTube for all types of cleaning hacks, and today we're gonna be testing them. So we are now in my laundry room and we're gonna do the cleaning your sponge cleaning hack. Get a sock, put your nasty sponges in there, put it in a regular load with your clothes. So if you're already washing, just throw it in there and they come out clean. So here is how my sponges look, guys. Can you see how nasty this one is? I have not washed it in like a long time because I stopped using it because I discovered this one that is like a cheaper version and it's a Revolution one, and I love this one. I don't know why I always end up nicking them with my nails, and so I really need new ones, but girls on a budget. I also have my Morphe one. This one is not as dirty. It's still dirty as hell, but I did not like this one at all. But I have it here for emergencies, you know. So yeah, quick load. I always do cold water. There it goes. My sponges are out of the wash. I am super excited. So this one clearly is a lot cleaner. They are cleaner, I'll give you that. Look at them. They're cleaner, but they're as clean as they would be as if I washed them by hand. And I do a mediocre job at best. So what I'm gonna do is, the thing I don't wanna do is I'm gonna try to clean these using the microwave and see if they come any different. All right, let's take two on the sponge. So she put it in the Tupperware. Now she had like a lot. So I'm hoping, and she just put this in and filled it up with water. All right, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for a minute. My sponges are done. Smells delish. It's hot. I'm gonna go ahead and run these through some cold water and see what the results are. Results are in, guys. Look at how new this sponge looks like. This one, the one that I rarely use, looks basically new. Now this one, you can see it's just like stained, but it feels like there's no makeup. Now, on to the dishwasher. Ew. I don't know if you guys knew, you could clean your dishwasher. Here, okay, I feel like I should be able to defend myself because I grew up Mexican. I think that's self-explanatory. These are dishwashers. Then I move on my own and I'm like, what's a dishwasher? What is that? And I proceeded to just use it as a drying rack. And I kind of still do. Lately though, now that I have kids, I go ahead and use it. But sometimes they don't come out as good, like as clean. So I end up having to rewash them, and then I'm like, this is why I use these hands. Turns out you could wash your dishwasher. So we're gonna wash my dishwasher. So the video I saw is they took out this. Her dishwasher looked different than my dishwasher, because hers had like something right there. All right, let's see what I could do. Let's see what's gonna happen here, guys. I might go ahead and just break this thing. What is this? I don't know what this is. It's dirty. I could tell you that much, that this is dirty. Oh wait. Okay, hold on. She took off all of this, but hers look different than mine. All right, let's Google stuff. Okay, guys. I need gloves. I need gloves. I need gloves. Okay, this project turned real nasty. I pulled it out, and then I noticed there was a pool of water. I'm pretty sure there shouldn't be any water. And then so, oh, this is so gross. And the guy's all like, I recommend wash them. Do I need an exorcist? It's so gross. So then I pull this thing, and this is gross. I need to wash it. Then I pull this thing. Look at how disgusting this is. Come here. I need to pull that black thing. I know, I'm scared too. Do you think I should use the tongs? No, you want your glove. Oh no, you're supposed to clean your dishwasher. So this is disgusting, guys. Look at this. In here, and it's not even letting the filters through. So I'm gonna wash this. But this is the scary part. This is why I was screaming. There is a pool of water in there. Oh my God, guys. I don't wanna touch it. There is something black in there. I don't want to touch it. Where the tongs? Your tongs. They're dirty anyways. Okay, well that part just came out. Okay, there shouldn't be water in here. This isn't. I'm going to clean these parts. I'm going to put everything back together. The video literally just showed her just pulling everything and washing it, not a pool of water. I need a second video. And then I'm gonna put baking soda on the bottom like she did, and a cup of apple cider vinegar on the top, and I'm gonna run it. I'm a little bit shocked, but I put it back together, and I'm gonna put some baking soda. Mind you, there is still a big pool in there. And a thing of apple cider vinegar right there. It's gonna run it. I changed it to normal wash because I figured water heating is just gonna heat up water. So I don't know. So I'm gonna do normal wash, and I put heat dry on. Maybe it heats up that water that's in the pool. Wish me luck, guys.
2 hours later.
Dishwasher is done. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so nervous. Ew, how come it all didn't? What? Why is this still here? And, but, look at how down here it's still dirty. It smells a lot cleaner, like it smells clean, but I'm gonna have to go ahead and clean this. So I'm gonna take everything apart again. I'm gonna clean this, and I'm gonna check out if that pool's still there. Next project, we're gonna clean the oven knobs. Now, the oven knobs, I've always found hard to clean because I never pull them out to clean them. I never thought, hey, maybe I should just pull them out to clean. I just try to come here, I just go around the knob with a Clorox wipe and just try to clean it. Never really clean, but it's clean enough. Now, we're gonna clean them. We're gonna clean them right. All right, so she says, pull them off. That's gross. How nasty this is, you guys. I don't even know what's hanging there, but I always try to get into these ridges and I can't, and we're gonna clean them today. So she said put water, which I haven't yet, but put soap, dish soap, and put vinegar. I'm pretty sure she did not say anything about water. Let's rewatch the video. Okay, change my mind. Just vinegar and soap water, and she says let them sit there. For how long? Is it time? They already look cleaner. That hanging thing is still there. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm gonna go take a nap. Okay, so the knobs soaked for 30 minutes and I pulled them out, and it was a lot easier to clean. Obviously there was still gunk inside, but I went ahead and used this and I cleaned in between, and look at how new they look, guys. I'm not even joking. This solution really worked. I don't know what about the vinegar or the dish soap that did it, but it really loosened the grease up. But I couldn't do it with the sponge because of these like little crevices. Luckily I have this little thing, which is a bottle cleaner. I have like 6 of them. So I'm gonna label this one for small kitchen crevices. Don't use on kids' bottles. So that's the only thing. But yeah, look at, totally recommend this. Look at how clean this looks. Cleaning hack number. All right, I just realized I haven't been numbering them. Whatever this one is. Did you know that you could wash your stainless steel sink? I thought once you wiped it down, it's washed. I didn't know that there's micro crevices that dirt is hiding. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Okay, so this is my sink. See the bottom? I do think that's gross, but I usually just go with a Clorox wipe and clean that up. And then this is where it gets really gross. See that thing? That's gross. And I'll clean it and I clean it and I clean it and it still stays dirty. But apparently dirt gets into the crevices of these things. And yeah, who knew? So according to the video, all you'll need is a baking soda, a vinegar, and a slightly damp sponge. Not soaking wet, just slightly damp. I don't know. I think it's time that I clean my sink. So I didn't even know this thing was dirty. I'll just do it on this side too. All right. The vinegar is supposed to clean your pipes. Okay guys, I really didn't think that was gonna do anything because I'm like, I clean my sink every time I wash the dishes. I spray it, I clean it down, it's clean. No, it wasn't. Can you see the difference on how clean it is? Now this side still has baking soda because I haven't cleaned it, but look at this color compared to the shininess that is this sink. What is happening? To think all these years I thought these things in my house were clean. I was living in filth. So guys, so now we're in my bathroom. I filled up my tub with really hot water because there's this new thing that I learned that you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, I can't believe she didn't know about this, but stripping your clothes. I had no idea. And basically all that means is really getting your clothes cleaned. Like apparently when you wash your clothes, it doesn't really clean your clothes. So I found a video where they strip their towels. So she put hot water in her tub, she put 1/4 cup of borax, 1/4 cup of baking soda, and a generous scoop of Tide powder. Now, I don't have powder. I use Tide, but I went and bought the Costco brand of detergent, but I use the liquid. So I'm gonna use, and caps are like small, and she used like a big scoop. So I'm gonna use 2 caps full of the detergent. Also, you need to stir it throughout the day. Turns out I need to leave this for 24 hours, so it really does the job. A lot of you are gonna be like, I can't believe she did not know about this. No, I didn't. And to be honest, I didn't even know I had borax until I found it in my crafting stuff. My crafting stuff. Okay, 1/4 cup. And 1/4 cup of baking soda. I am sweating. There's no tomorrow. It is too hot to clean today. So I'm gonna use 2 scoops. Even though this is supposed to be more concentrated, right? These are all clean towels, really. That stir. So this is currently the situation. But I like the actual water that's a little bit dirty already, but I'm thinking that's not real dirt. That's just like it changed color because dark stuff's in there and light works in mysterious ways. Anyways, this is compelling TV. Okay guys, it's been 24 hours. You can tell, what a hot mess. So it's been well over 38 o'clock the next day. It's been a day. I can tell you that, it's been a day. Let's just see the results, guys. This is the next day. Now, let's get rid of the clothes to see what the hot water looks. And there you have it. I took out all the towels and look at that dirty. It looks a lot darker in person than in camera. It's so gross. I can't believe that all that so gross, guys. Find out what's really in your clothes. And our last hack of the day is how to make your own sushi. Just kidding, I had it there for another video. Is we're gonna make our own Lysol wipes. Now, when I saw this video, I was very intrigued because, honey, I have not been able to find any new Lysol wipes. So we're gonna make our own disinfectant wipes. First, you need a container. If you run out of your disinfectant wipes, keep the container. I'm gonna use my Baby's Empty formula. The girl in the video used a Tupperware. You will need alcohol, dish soap, heavy-duty napkins, water, not drinking water, but optional essential oils. First, put 12 ounces of water. So I looked up what 12 ounces of water is and it said it's a cup and a half. Then 1/4 alcohol. So I'm gonna cut this in half. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did it. Put them in here and I'm gonna put the water over it. So I went ahead and pulled this out. So I kind of poured the concoction on the sides, a little bit everywhere, but mainly on the top. So she puts 4 to 5 pumps. Mine isn't a pump. So we're just gonna go 1 pump, 2 pumps, 3 pumps. All right, now it's time to add our essential oils. She just put 5 to 6 drops. I put like 30. All right, so she put it like this, which is ideal, and you're able to pull it inwards like a normal Clorox wipe. My container is smaller, it's wider, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna unwrap it from around, but here we have it. Your very own disinfectant wipes. Pretty cool, huh? And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys have cleaning hacks that you guys want to share with me, because I am super interested, please leave them down in the comments below. I would love to hear them. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.